If you have zero motivation right now and all you do is binge watch Netflix, eat junk food, and scroll on social media all day, then this video is about to change your life. I'm about to share with you exactly how you can change and transform your life in just one day by implementing this one mind trick so that you can actually feel like doing those productive tasks. So first of all, let me paint a simple picture for you. Johnny wakes up and all he does is scroll on TikTok for the first hour of the day. Then he heads downstairs and grabs a bowl of sugary cereal. And while he's eating that bowl of sugary cereal, he goes back upstairs and turns on the TV to watch a full movie. He pretty much repeats this process day in, day out, and doesn't realize what an impact it's having on his health. Then he came across this video that you're watching right now and implemented the one mind trick that I'm about to share with you. And now he's achieving his goals, pursuing his passions, and achieving success. So how do you do what Johnny did and turn your life around in just one day by building that discipline and implementing those habits that I talked about? Well, it's a simple mindset shift in your surrounding environment. So what does this mean and how can it change your life? Well, if your bigger goal was broken down into smaller daily actionable steps that you could actually take, would that make it a lot easier for you to achieve your goals? I would think the answer to that would be yes. So you need to create a simple but effective morning or daily routine, it doesn't really matter, that allows you to build consistency, allows you to have a little bit of motivation, and allows you to build discipline that sets you in the right mindset for the up and coming day. Something like this would work perfectly. You wake up, head to the shower straight away, and then once you're done, you get dressed into some professional looking clothes, and then you have a healthy breakfast, and then you're ready to go and tackle your day. Once you're ready to start your work and being productive, I want you to get into a different position from where you usually work. A new environment. Surround yourself with new things and new ideas will start to pop into your head. The reason this works is because those clothes that you got dressed in make you feel professional and then subconsciously make you want to be more productive because of the type of clothes you're in. So you want to match the same energy output that's coming from your clothes into your work. And then because you're in a new environment with little distractions, you're allowed to be super productive because you're not being distracted by the outside world. And by doing these things and creating that consistent schedule and turning up day in, day out, you're allowing your brain to tell yourself that at this time of the day, I've got to do this productive work. So that every single day from then on, once you start being consistent, you're going to know, and your brain is going to know that this is the time I'm productive, not doing anything else. The more you do these hard tasks, the more they just become part of your life. Instead of becoming a choice that you have to make every day, it becomes, what time am I going to do it today? For example, going to the gym is a hard thing to implement into your routine because after you go a couple of times, the new effect is going to wear off and you're going to become unmotivated. And this is where discipline really has to kick in. If you are able to consistently go to the gym when you're not feel like doing it, you can use any different strategy you like. You could give yourself a reward at the end of your workout so that you're a little bit more motivated to go at least. But if you're able to get over that hard part of going to the gym and getting it done when you don't feel like doing it, it just becomes ingrained into your routine and doesn't become a choice of whether you have to go or not, but becomes a choice of what time am I going today? That's what I mean. If you want to learn to build better habits and therefore learn how to tackle those hard tasks and achieve success, go down, hit the subscribe button so I can teach you how to do so. Thanks so much for watching until the end. See you in the next one.